Hello, this is Scott Hudgens with Dodd RV. Today we're looking at a brand new 2014 Forest River Rockwood Windjammer with the diamond package. Full body tent, outside shower, awning toppers, 2 slide outs, power tongue jack, all 4 corner power stabilizer jacks, electric awning, 2 entry doors, bedroom, bathroom up front, your rear entry here, outside speakers, seamless windows, your awning guard protection, spare tire, rear ladder. As we enter into the back, Rockwood 3025W, looking at a dry weight of 7,516 pounds. Has a rear sofa, stadium seating, table and chairs, island kitchen. Your third slide out is in the living area. Large TV, fireplace, raised panel refrigerator. We're looking at the cherry cabinetry and the Hampton decor. Nice upgraded handles on the cabinetry. Minimal carpet. As we pass through into the bedroom, you have the bed on the full slide, 60 by 80 queen. You have a hookup for a TV in the master bedroom. Like I said, your front bathroom has actually got a his and her sink. Nice cabinetry and glass enclosed shower with the overhead skylight. Control panel in the bedroom, extra door for privacy. Coming back in, we're looking at the brand new 2014 Forest River Rockwood Windjammer in the diamond package. Come see us today in Yorktown. We're located on Route 17 in between Fort Eustis Boulevard and Denby Boulevard. 757-833-3633. Scott Hudgens, Dodd RV.